Today we have a virtual lab deriving Newton's second law on the physics solution. Let's review variables. The independent variable is the variable that you, the experimenter, changes before running the investigation. It is plotted on the horizontal or x-axis. The dependent variable depends upon the result of the investigation and is plotted on the vertical or y-axis. To begin our investigation, Google PHET, Forces in Motion Basics. Once you click on the link, it'll bring you to our virtual lab where you'll hit acceleration. Once you get to the lab, you want to click on forces, sum of forces, values, masses, and acceleration. Then make sure that friction is all the way at 0 because you'll see the ice. Investigation 1, force stays constant, you change the mass, and the investigation result is the acceleration. As the investigator, you are changing the masses before the experiment begins. That's the independent variable. Then, to begin the experiment, choose 100 newtons and record the acceleration or our dependent variable. When you're done getting the dependent variable for the first experiment, do it again with the refrigerator and then with whatever combination of masses you choose. For investigation 2, the mass stays constant, you change the force, and the investigation result is the acceleration. For the second investigation, to keep the mass constant, we're just going to be working with the water. Then we're going to choose different amounts of force and take down our dependent variable, the acceleration. We're going to change the amount of force for each trial until we complete our data table. When we're analyzing our data, we're either looking for a direct relationship where both variables increase or decrease together and the graph is an upward sloping straight line, or an inverse relationship, whereas one variable increases, the other decreases, and the graph is a curve that slopes downward from left to right. Finding those relationships will help us derive Newton's second law and find the physics solution.